Hello, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss with another new topic. That is, we are going to discuss the reasons for missed period or late period but not pregnant. Here, you can get missed or late periods for many reasons other than pregnancy. Here, first is causes of missed period or late period ranges from lifestyle choices to health issues. These two transitory phases. These two phases are entirely normal for her periods to be irregular. And then here first is menarche or starts of menstruation, and then second phase is menopause. And then here average length of menstrual cycle is 28 days. Average length of menstrual cycle is 28 days. But anyway, in between 21 and 35 days is entirely normal. In this class, we are going to discuss. In this class, we will look at the possible reasons for menstrual cycle to be longer than normal. We will see the causes or reasons for missed period or late period. Here, the first important cause is stress. Here, anxiety puts your body in fight or flight mode, and then here your body is going to produce a stress hormone such as cortisol. Here, while a bit of stress is okay, but prolonged stress can affect the hormonal balance. Therefore, there will be the hormonal imbalance may cause missed period or irregular period. This is the first reason, that is stress. Second cause is changed sleep schedule. If you suddenly change the sleep schedule, your circadian rhythm gets disturbed. What is that? Circadian rhythm gets disturbed. Here, what is circadian rhythm? It's an internal clock and regulates all body functions. And then, according to study published in Frontiers in Endocrinology, circadian rhythm gets disturbed if you travel to a different time zone. This may also can delay or miss your period. That is the second cause. Third cause is that underweight. That is body underweight. Being underweight. Here, this is also one of the most common cause for missed period or irregular period. Here what happens? Eating disorders such as anorexia nervosa and then bulimia nervosa. Bulimia can cause lost weight in women. And then here what happens if your body weight falls below 10% average. Your body weight falls 10% below average, then bodily functions get disturbed and it might stop ovulation. And then after that, healthily regaining weight can restore the body functions and then after that it can make your period regular again. This is also one of the cause. Next reason is intense exercise. Fourth one is intense exercise. Here, moderate exercise is too good for the body, and then too much exercise can cause there will be the reduction of hormone level, that is estrogen. Here, estrogen is a hormone that regulates the monthly cycle, menstrual cycle. And then here, that lack of estrogen causes amenorrhea or absence of menstruation. And also, rigorous training often causes amenorrhea for 6 or more months, that is in the athletes. This is intense exercise. We'll see the next reason. Next reason is PCOS. That is polycystic ovarian syndrome. PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Here it is a disease that's going to increase in the male hormone level, that is androgen. Androgen, that is a male hormone, is going to increase in this disorder, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. And also insulin are also imbalanced. This hormonal imbalance can cause the formation of cyst in the ovaries, and then consequently ovulation can become irregular or even absent. And then here birth control or other medications can help to regulate your menstrual cycle. If you have PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, if you think you might have PCOS, you should consult your gynecologist. This is all about polycystic ovarian syndrome. Next reason is thyroid dysfunction. Thyroid dysfunction. Here, thyroid gland is responsible for producing hormones which regulates various body functions. And then here, thyroid disorders, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism can disrupt your menstrual cycle. Fortunately, these thyroid disorders treatable with medications. If you think you might have these thyroid disorders, you should consult an endocrinologist for diagnostic blood test. This is all about the thyroid dysfunction. We'll see the next reason, that is medication. Medication. Certain medications can cause irregular period. For example, antipsychotic drugs. Here there will be the hormonal changes in the prolactin. Prolactin hormone level is going to change here. That is in the antipsychotic drugs. And then also birth control or other medications such as IUDs can seize your period. This is due to medication. It is also one reason for missed or irregular period. Next one is early perimenopause. Early perimenopause. Here, menopause begins between the age group of between 45 to 55. And then in early perimenopause, here the woman is going to show the symptoms of menopause around the age of 40. Their condition is called as early perimenopause. This is due to there will be the reduction in the number of eggs in a female. That's what early perimenopause we can see. Women is going to experience in her 40s, that is will be missed period. After that, here menstruation cease altogether. This is all about the reasons. These are the 8 reasons for missed or irregular period, but not pregnancy. Other than pregnancy, these are the causes for the missed or irregular period. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family, and also don't even forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for informative videos. Thank you for watching.